What is the value of x given that you have 5 to the power of x plus 5 to the power of 2 minus x equals 26? From here, let's recall that we have 5 to the power of x plus 5 to the power of 2 minus x equals 26. Then let us multiply through, or when we have a to the power of m minus n equals a to the power of m times a to the power of minus n. So we have 5 to the power of x plus 5 to the power of 2 times 5 to the power of minus x equals 26. So we want to eliminate this. Let's multiply through by 5 to the power of x into 5 to the power of x plus 5 to the power of 2 times 5 to the power of minus x equals 26 times 5 to the power of x. From here we have 5 to the power of x times 5 to the power of x. This 5 to the power of 2 times 5 to the power of minus x times 5 to the power of x equals 5 to the power of x times 26. So from here we have to recall a times a to the power of m times a to the power of m equals a to the power of 2m. So from here we have 5 to the power of 2x plus this. We cancel out because we are going to have a to the power of m times a to the power of minus m will be equals a to the power of m minus m, a to the power of 0, which equals 1. So we have 5 to the power of 2 times 1 equals 5 to the power of x times 26. We have 5 to the power of 2x plus 5 to the power of 2 is 25 equals 5 to the power of x multiplied by 26. From here, we can have this as when we have a to the power of mn equals a to the power of m in parentheses to the power of n. This will be 5 to the power of x to the power of 2 plus 25 equals 5 to the power of x times 26. Then let's 5 to the power of x equals t. So this implies we are going to have t squared plus 25 equals 26t. So when we have this, we are going to have t squared minus 26t plus 25 equals 0. Then we can have t squared minus 25t minus t will give us minus 26t plus 25 equals 0. Let's group t squared minus 25t, then minus t minus 25 equals 0. So from here we have t into t minus 25. This will be t minus 25 equals 0. So we are going to have t minus 25 in common. T minus 25. This will now be t minus 1 equals 0. So we have t minus 25 equals 0, or we have t minus 1 equals 0. Either of these expressions must be equal to 0 before this either of these must be equal to 0 before this, we can have it to be 0. So we have t from here to be 25, t from here to be 1. Then let us recall that t equals 5 to the power of x. So from here we have 5 to the power of x equals 25. We have 5 to the power of x. We can have this as 5 to the power of 2, 25 in base 5. Since they have the same base with different power, sometimes when we have a to the power of m equals a to the power of n, we can equate m to be equals n. Suppose they have the same base. So we have x to be equals 2 from here. Then likewise, also, if you are to recall from 5 to the power of x equals t and t equals 1, but a to the power of 0 equals 1. This implies when we have 5 to the power of 0 always equals 1. So we have 5 to the power of x equals 5 to the power of 0. Also, x, by equating the power, since the base are the same, so we have here to be equal 0. So s equals 0 as well, x equals 2. Then we have to verify all this solution from here. So we have when s equals 2, 5 to the power of 2. This will be 2 minus 2. So we have 5 to the power of 2 is 25. 5 to the power of 0. So we have this to be 25 plus 1 equals 26. So 26 equals 26. So this is correct. Then let's test for this. When s equals 0, we have 5 to the power of 0 plus 5 to the power of 2 minus 0. And it's going to give us 26. 1 plus 25 equals 26. 26 equals 26. So therefore, s equals 2, 0 is correct.